Welcome back to Tradition X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Boxy Charm. I got it yesterday, but
we're doing back-to-back videos
today.
Just so you know, we're going to do 3 back-to-back videos, so I don't know what order they're going to go in. But we did get this box and 2 of my boxes.
Okay, and that's what it looks like when you open it. Like a glossy box, I think they're not doing a card in it anymore, and so I think I can go online to look at it or whatever. But
we're going to our Dickens Festival fundraiser, Pigwig's Pub Night, and it's pirate theme. So if you see why we're wearing pirate stuff, I have my hat, but it doesn't really look that good, so I'm not wearing it at the moment.
Well, in photos and stuff, it
yeah.
doesn't look good. Okay, so first thing I'm pulling out is Kate Somerville's Biomimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm.
I said 5-peptide blend. I caught that on there. High performance on
That's
the side.
Good.
That seems like an awesome product.
We still don't know how to pronounce that, huh?
Ciate?
I guess. Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Oh, that's nice.
I know. Again, I'd want that. Darn.
That's
like,
good.
Boxy Charm.
And then the next thing is Evio Skin. Like it says X Aurora. It's like with Aurora or
refreshing cleansing hemp wipes.
But when it has an X, that means like with, right? Or and, or like
I have no idea.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Like it's really small.
My contacts make me look or see too well, so like a little print up close, I'm like I can't see that with my contacts in.
And then the next thing is Luxie
That's
Complete Sponge Set.
I mean, if somebody wants that, I mean
contour detail. So there's that. And then the last thing is First Aid Beauty's Facial Radiance Pads. So I think I've always wanted to try these if I haven't tried them
all
yet.
All pretty good size items. I like this.
And so I think this box is actually $25. Like when I was like on the website, I think it said it was like $25, but with tax it comes to 26 something or whatnot. So yeah, so but good items I think this month.
Yeah,
so
if you divide it by 5, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
But that was it for this video. We're gonna do a giveaway soon. I got the things I ordered, I think, as I mentioned. So we just need to gather all of our makeup samples as well as our palettes that we put in there or whatever. And we'll be doing a giveaway. I would say, gosh, probably I wanted to go on by like Sunday or Monday. So soon, very soon. This is Saturday we're filming on. And as I said, you'll see back-to-back videos. Not sure what order again, but hopefully you watch all of them. We'll catch you in our next one.
Take care.
Bye.